Behold, this is the VIP of small spaces. It's a 2.4 cubic square foot stainless fridge. What guy doesn't need one of these? Just think of all the places this can be used: in a dorm, in a gym, in your closet, an outside kitchen. You know, when there's cold drinks around, there's zero drama. What do you think the boys will be stocking this with? Energy drinks? Beer? Water? What do you guys think? It does have a little area where you can make some ice cubes, but really this fridge is more about storing drinks for hydration. I just put this one in my son-in-law's new gym. It's small but mighty. It works great. It's linked below.